Shakey's V-League, www.v-league.ph, and of course please like us on Facebook.com Shakey's V-League. And Rina Villamor has her first report of the match. Rina, what's up?
Yes, clear as a glass. The coaching staff of the Lady Damaras just reminded them not to let negativity sink in this game. Now, the coaching staff also reminded them to always start with determination and finish with satisfaction game after game. Satisfaction in the sense that it's not winning, rather that they are convinced that they've performed their best at each of their games. And the coaching staff also told them that they have to bring the maturity game after game. And if you guys are wondering why Coach Ness is not around at this match, well, he is on his way already to the games. He just had to attend some family matters prior to heading here at the stadium. Back to you guys.
Alright, thank you, Rina. And I can also see some of the FAU players, they've made their way already. They're warming up. Giselle C's right there. Also, the rest of the team starting to warm up. I mean, the rest of the players who weren't here at the start of the match are now here. So even Coach Ness, ano na raw?
Is going to follow. But it's a good sign that they have more players on the bench.
Tabakero, missing that.
Maganda rin yung meron kang pang-excuse. Mahirap na anin lang sila.
True, and the FAU now down by 3. Coach Shaq De Los Santos. Coach Santos.
Kanina, pumasok ka sobra. Ay, inside tulog. Sobra yung one natin, ha? Ha?
FAU Makati, the newest campus of FAU, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. Get that business education in the heart of the business district. 836-2002 or visit www.edu.fau.ph. And back to your point, of course, it's always nice to see when you look at your bench, may ibang players, hindi yung si Coach Shaq lang ang nakikita mo. At lalo kang matakot kung si Coach Shaq naka-uniforme na pang laro.
Ganun kakulang yung players.
Biglang si simple si Coach Shaq, ano sa?
Ako na.
Si Coach Shaq naka-uniforme. Coach Shaq, biro lang naman, kaibigan natin yan si Coach Shaq. Rhea Di Maculangan, she is known for that. Whenever she gets that chance, she'll take it. To get that point.
So actually, if Di Maculangan is in the front line, hindi lang yung dalawang attacker yung dapat na tinitignan mo. You also have to keep an eye on her because she always has that option.
Baniel goes back to Remulla. Jang asking for it. Off the block. She really wanted that set. When she got it, knew exactly what to do with it. Ayun, nakapuntos 14-6. After that very shaky start from Sandugo, San Sebastian, eto, umarangkada na at lamang na po ng 8 points. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Oh, lucky break here for FAU from that service error by Benito.
Nice serve from Ivy Remulla. To Zane Rosses with that running hit. Gets the point.
Oh, now another positional fault. This time on the side of FAU.
And Tabakero and Baniel knew it. Alam nila mali eh. 16-7, second technical timeout for the Sandugo San Sebastian Sags. We'll be right back.